Hello, my name is Stephen Mayeux, and you're watching The Best JS. In this video series, we're building a full-stack JavaScript application using React in the front end, Node and Express in the back, and we're using WebSockets in order to make a real-time application that will insult the president, Donald Trump. This is a counter, and it will update all the connected clients to this web server, which is pretty fun. In the last video, we deployed, and if you followed all the steps, your application should be hosted on Heroku. You can visit mine, shaketrump.heroku.com. I posted this on social media, and my friends and family from all over the world, they went on it and shook Trump or shaked or shaken Trump, whatever. We got up to like about 1,200 or 1,300 times that we have shaken, but you can see that right here it is currently 121 times. So what is happening is when you use a free application on Heroku, it will go to sleep. The servers will stop running after about 8 hours of inactivity, something like that. I'm not sure. So most of my applications, as you can see here, are hosted on Heroku, and many of them have this zzz sort of thing, implying that they're sleeping, that the servers are not running. Now, when you actually access one of these apps, then it will wake it up and it will start like a fresh new server. But if you recall, we go here to the text editor, if we go to socket route, this is a global variable and we initialize it at 0. So every time Heroku puts your app to sleep and then it wakes up again, well, the app is starting fresh and your counter restarts at 0. So, there's two ways that you can get around this. Obviously it would be so cool that, my counter doesn't reset to 0 after, 8 hours of inactivity or something like that. So, one thing that you could do is make your Heroku app a so-called hobby dyno. And I know that sounds weird, but if you go into your app, here's mine, Shake Trump. And I believe if you connect your credit card to your Heroku account, then you can click on this link, configure dynos, and then you can upgrade to hobby. If you click that button, if you just choose the $7 a month or one of these other plans right here, really all you would need is the hobby one, then your application will never go to sleep, and it has slightly more server resources, so it's a bit faster than the free one. So that's one thing that you can do. Also, we have no database in this application. So in the event that our servers shut down because of outages or an attack or maintenance, whatever, it would probably be a cool idea to back up the counter every time somebody clicks the president or whatever. I'm not sure, but it would be a good idea to persist that data somewhere. And who knows, if a lot of people are shaking Donald Trump on my app, maybe I could record other kinds of analytics and display them in a beautiful graph, and we can really, visualize how much people don't like him and how much he's shaking him at what hours of the day. And well, if you're a data nerd like I am, you could have a field day with that sort of analytics. So anyway, yeah, in this series I had a lot of fun. It was very tongue-in-cheek and silly, maybe immature and ineffectual, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed learning with me. And one more thing before we go. If you are a self-taught programmer and you're getting stuck and looking for a little bit of personalized help, I would love to recommend my tutoring services, thebestjs.com. You can find out more information about what I teach and pricing and all that good stuff. But I used to be, well, I still am a self-taught programmer. I'm learning all the time, and I used to be an English teacher as well. So I like helping people. I like teaching people and getting them unstuck on their problems. So if you need a personal tech tutor, thebestjs.com. All right, guys, I will see you in the next series. Leave your love and your questions and your comments, and leave your hate in the comments below too. And I would love to hear from you. Okay, have a good one. Bye. Boop.